Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're in between RAAF and Willowbank Raceway. So we're pulled in here for the night. Tomorrow we're going to go do test and tune. Oh, hold on, that might be today. But anyway, you'll see it very soon. But if you want, we've just done a whole heap of upgrades. We've changed heads, we've done a dyno, we've done all sorts of stuff. And we've had another round of test and tune and racing since then. And oh my gosh, I broke the diff, Lokka, that again. But hopefully I've got all those tolerances bound right up tight now and it doesn't happen again. So let's head to Willowbank and we'll see you there. Righto, we're in the staging lanes. First lot of quali. Now, I haven't got the GoPro out anywhere yet. Oh, glove box isn't shutting. But what I have got is the phone running the draggy. So there's no inside footage of me staring blankly at nothingness, but you should still get full audio of me carrying on like Fruit Loop from the whatever this records noise was. It's a nice little roller. Cool. Anyway, sidetracked. So we've I think we've done as much as we can. Tyres are down, front one's pumped up, fluids are all, I've actually put fuel in for a change. I'll prove it to you right after this. And then I think we're as ready as we can be. So buckle up, Betty, we're about to have some fun. See you at the start line.
Decided to fill it up with petrol this time.
Yeah, I thought it's easier to fill it up in the pit than on the track. I don't have to carry it as far. Tree, 083 on the tree, but 2060 foot, 9 to the 8th, 14.4 at 91 mile an hour, 93 mile an hour. So we've got some work to do there. Let's go tinker, might see how the fuel goes. Had like a little lean pop sound, so I might need to give it a bit more. Alright, let's go back to the pits and have a quick look at things. Righto, so we've I just went through, pulled all the plugs and checked all the plug gaps, and some of them were really bad. So I set them all back at 40 thou and can't get this off. And once I eventually get this off, I'm going to pull the power steering pump fuse, because I reckon that might be my cause of, yeah, I'm going to pull that because I reckon that could be a cause of losing a bit of power, because that sucks a lot of amperage and I've only got that 100 amp alternator. So we'll have a go. Alright. I'm going to do that, then I'll go back in line. See you out there. Righto, in line for the burnout. Let's see how we go. See if we get better than friggin' 14.4. That was horrendous. terrible, but yeah, 14 flat. I don't know what's going on. I just took it back to 28 degrees of timing. We'll have a run. I'm going to back to back it. I'll come straight around again, and I'll just put it up to 32 degrees of timing and see if it makes any difference. See if it likes it, doesn't like it. Well, only way to find out, and that's tonight. We've got another hour left, so we need to get our laps in quick as we can. That's all I can say. Alrighty, let's do this. Watching me talk to you. Anyway, 14.2 at 93 mile an hour. That's terrible. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back up to 32 degrees of timing and see if it likes that. Because we've just, in my budget, spent a small fortune trying to make this thing go faster, and we've gone backwards, and it's really, it's a good way to lose the want to do it. It sucks, really. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, let's give it back. We'll go from 28 to 32 degrees. Let's get that done and have another go. I hit record this time while we're driving, so that's that way you can understand what I'm talking about. Alright, let's see what we went. We did 14.12. So we did terrible on the tree, a 3 on the tree, 1.9 something 60 foot, and chugga. Way too good low gear. Oh no, I'm still in a bad gear. Chugga. 94 mile an hour. So at 14.12. So that was a terrible reading too. Sorry about that. Driving and reading doesn't work all that well. We're going to quickly check tyre pressures. I might knock 1 degree of timing out of it and see how we go. Hopefully we can get one more run in for the night at least. down to 19 again because we've done a few runs. I forgot about it. Normally I do a couple of runs lower. I'm back to 19. So it's cold. Like the tyres are cold pretty much by the time we got back to the pits. So it's whatever 19 is. So and drop the timing 1 degree. Now if it's still open and running, I don't know what to do. It needs something and I don't know what it is. Because no doubt there'll be someone out there that goes, you just need to do this exact thing and it may fix it. If you know who that person is, please send them this video and tell them to comment because I need help. Free help. Alright, let's get down the track. Of the last run and it was bad. I crunched the crap out of second. I missed it. It was terrible. Still driving. I don't know. Didn't sound great. Set the bike down so nothing broke at least. Anyway, that's it for the night. Calling it quits. Ended on a bad one. Alright, let's get time and slip. That was terrible. I missed second severely. No. It's a 15 flat, not a 13. Alright. 60 foot, 192. I was pushing through the brake, so I sort of rushed myself, didn't do that real well. And then from there on, I just missed second gear, and it was bad. Bad all the way. There's nothing to report after the 60 foots that you want to know about. That was horrendous. You'll see from my last video on this, it was bad. Oh. Anyways, that's a wrap for the night. If you haven't, please subscribe, please share, please comment. I need some help getting this channel out and about. Obviously you like it if you're still watching. I'm having fun doing it. I might not seem like it at times, but I am. I'm racing a Troopy. You are Troopy groupies. You're watching me in the Troopy. So be part of the Troopy groupie gang, eh? Subscribe. Thanks for watching.